Real estate, it's not for everybody. Flipping homes certainly isn't for everybody. Hi, I'm Don Martone, and I'm with Century 21 Northeast, and I'm here to tell you about a really great opportunity we have. 100% financing for flippers, developers, and those looking to expand their portfolio. To qualify for this program though, you do need a couple different things. We need someone with experience. This can't be your first deal. Another thing is resources. You need a team behind you. Your partners in the renovation work to be done, you gotta have those guys lined up. And our financing is gonna take a look at your resources. And finally, it's gonna be about credit. You need credit to make it happen. Get your earnest money back at the closing. Use it for the renovation. No inspection fee, no appraisal fee, 70% loan to value. Give me a call for this exclusive opportunity. It's not meant for everybody. Give me a call. Martone Moves at Century 21 Northeast, 401-954-0270. Looking to grow your business this year into 2020 and beyond. I want to share that success with you. We'll talk to you soon. Let's get to work.